Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an upcycle with me. My sister-in-law gave me this magazine rack about a month or so ago, but with Christmas and everything I haven't quite had a chance to do it yet, but it's now all done and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I just thought I would share with you how I did it. And I haven't given it to my niece yet, but hopefully she will absolutely love it. But yeah, I just thought I would show you how I do this. Hopefully you enjoy. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I do a lot of upcycles, crafts, thrift hauls and like different charity shop hauls and home hauls. So I'd absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing, and if you enjoy this video please give it a big thumbs up and let's get on with the upcycle. So my sister-in-law gave me this little sort of magazine rack to upcycle for my niece. I've had it a little while, but I just haven't had time to do it, so I'm going to get cracking on it now. I've got an idea of how I want it, but yeah, I'm just literally going to take it outside and use my little sander to sand it all down, and then I can go ahead and just prime and then paint it. So that's what I'm going to get up to now.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, to spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
So this is the primer I've been using because it is a primer and stain killer, and obviously it's quite dark. So I want to go ahead and just use this first, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint it after. So everything has now been painted with the primer and is now dry. So I'm going to go ahead and use this French Chic paint in the colour Nougat. So this looks like a really nice sort of dusky pink, and I think that's going to look really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 coats on there and see how it looks and see if I need to do a third. Everything has had at least 2 coats of paint now, and it's all completely dry, which is good. There's a few areas I need to touch up, and mainly those little sort of knobbly bits. But yeah, everything has covered really well, and I'm so pleased I used the primer underneath because that stopped any of the darker colour bleeding through, which is really good. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Now I've got these little tester pots. So I've got the colour mustard, and I've got a white and a red. So the red is kind of like a fire brick, and then it's just a chalky white. And then I've got this sort of sagey green colour as well. What I'm thinking of doing is painting on some flowers. And yeah, I think that's going to finish it off really nicely, and then I'm going to hopefully seal it all together. But I'm just going to go ahead and paint the flowers on there now, and I think that's just going to look so super cute. So I finished painting the flowers and they are all dry. I'm so happy with how it looks. And I did some like little flowers on the handle as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this all together and it's pretty much done. hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. This took me a few weeks to record, so sorry that there was like a few different like outfit changes and lighting issues. But yeah, I still hope that you really enjoyed it. And please make sure that you subscribe to see further content, and also hit the little notification bell so that you are alerted when I upload a video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks guys, bye.